inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Yesterday, I actually showed you what was going on inside of our interact.py file, how we can interact with the latest contract that we deployed, and everything that we can do inside of it. So today we're going to move on. We're going to pick up some light reading. Now, in this section, we'll go over the process of adding a person with Titanoboa. Now we know how to set the RPC URL and add an account to deploy our contract and interact with our contract, and then interact with the same contract later on, assuming that the address we're interacting with exists. Moving forward, we will go back into our deploy favorites.py contract file and make one more modification. So far, we've been working with the store function to store our favorite number inside of our favorites.py contract file. Next, we'll be looking at another function in this file. We'll be looking at the define add person function. This function is a little more complicated than our store function. This add person takes two parameters, a name, which is going to be a string with a fixed size array of 100, which will look like this. This is our fixed size array of 100. We're going to add a favorite number parameter, which is going to be the type uint256. Now, this is the function we'll be interacting with inside of our deploy favorites.py contract file. To begin a modification, we can comment out all of the lines of code pertaining to the store our favorite number. These are the lines of code we're going to be commenting out. I'm just going to show all the lines that we're going to be commenting out. They should look familiar because this is everything we commented out, or this is everything we've been working with so far, storing our favorite number and retrieving it. This is all that's here. So we're going to be commenting all this out, and we're going to be working with an entirely new script. So once we commented out these lines, we can start writing the new lines of code that will allow us to add a person to our contract. I'm going to leave it there right now, and tomorrow we're going to pick back up because we are phasing into a new concept. So yeah, I don't want you guys to get lost. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.